admin.
Pinali.
Okay.
Meron lang question sana sino na makasagot. Kanya mo
Anong pangalan mo? Ganun.
Yes. So ito, okay. Madali lang to. Sino yung unang sa kamay?
Sige.
Bigyan niyo yung 3 types of leaning.
Yo. Isa pa ha? Isa pa? Isa pa ha? Isa pa.
Ayan.
Bigyan natin ng bigyan natin ng twist. Okay? Dahil bigay ni Clean Fuel yan, no? At ng presented by Pride Trade Asia Incorporated and All About Wheels Manila. So, bago natin ibigay, dahil sigurado marami magtataas niyan. Ngayon, lugi naman yung mga nasa likuran. Diba? So, ngayon ganito gawin natin, bigyan natin ng twist. Pag tinanong mo yan, dapat may dala silang again, pag pumunta mo kayo rito, nakahanda yung sasabihin niya, tapos kung sinong unang tatayo rito. Okay?
Ito yung namin kayo. So yun nga yung question ko. Bigyan niyo yung 3 types of leaning at ang unang makakapunta doon sa harapan
Na meron.
may dalang 20 peso na coin.
Go! Ako na siya.
Tawag mo sir, please.
Oh, standby si ba? O, 1. Sige, sir.
Sige.
Okay, akin na to. Oh,
Wait.
teka, di ba sinasabi? Sir,
Kailangan sagutin na sir.
ano yung 3 types of leaning?
Leaning in, leaning out, tapos leaning with.
Tama ba yun?
Tama ba yung tatlo? Leaning in,
Parang-
leaning out.
Parang ano eh. Ano pangalan mo, sir? Andrew, taga-saan position Andrew? Tama ba yun? Siyempre, tama po yun. No, congratulations, Sir Andrew. Sir, anong motor niyo po? NMAX, no? Napakaganda sir ng NMAX, ha? Ganda ng KYT mo, sir, ha? Yan. Yan. Congratulations, sir. Sir Andrew, sa inyo pong bagong Clean Fuel helmet full face, no? Sir, anong masasabi mo naman sa Clean Fuel na sa atin ng generosity sa aming Ride Academy and then sa Pride Trade Asia at All About Wheels Manila?
Sa Academy, very informative lahat. Yung tinuro nyo sa paggamit ng motor, safety, yan ang mahalaga eh. At yung always wear helmet. At salamat din sa helmet mo. Swerte lang, nandun ako nakaupo. Thank you.
Okay na, Coach Lawrence.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
before we end, we would like to invite you to our upcoming event. Moto. Yeah.
Mototown! See you lahat sa Mototown.
Moto Town will happen on June 16, 17, and 18 from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight at Bridgetown Destination Estate. You can come in there with your bicycle, your motorcycle, your car, your electric scooter, whatever you want to bring. It's free parking, coffee, food. We have an open slalom. We have lots of vendors there. It's going to be a fun night. Come on, what we call hashtag.
Camaraderie.
We'll see you guys there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Moto Town, June 16 to 18. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.